Hey guys, so today's video is a bedside table DIY that I created for my daughter's room. My daughter loves books and I always call her Belle, like the Disney Princess Belle, because she's in love with books just like Belle was. So I wanted to create a unique side table for her room, and I was inspired by this book side table that I saw online that went from anywhere between $500 to $700. So I created mine with all Dollar Tree products for less than $20. So if you would like to see how I created this bedside table, then keep on watching. Now to create the tabletop for this table, you would need a circle silver tray that you can get in the wedding section at Dollar Tree. Now I'm choosing to use some contact paper to put in the inside circle of this tray because I love the look of marble and silver together. You don't have to do this step. You can actually leave your tray blank and it will have a mirror effect for your tabletop, which is nice. But I love the marble. Now the marble, of course, you cannot find at Dollar Tree. Not this one anyway. There is a beige marble contact paper that you can get at Dollar Tree. But if you want the gray and the black one, I got this one from Walmart for about $4.95, I believe, but it was under $5. But again, you can leave it blank if you would like, but I just love the look of marble and silver together. Now to hide the rough edges of the contact paper and also to hide where the contact paper did not fill the circle in completely, I'm going to use some of these gemstone stickers to make a border inside the serving tray. And this is how the tabletop would look when you're done applying all the gemstones to the border. So for the base for this table, I use these silver candle holders for the feet of the table. And then of course you need books. And I was glad to find this one because it had all the colors that my daughter likes in her room. I am also using this adhesive glue, which I find is just as good as E6000 glue. I also use my glue gun as well. So to start off the base of this table, I'm going to take the 4 silver candle holders and glue them to one book. And I'm going to use a mixture of my glue gun and the adhesive glue to glue these onto the book because I want the strength of that adhesive glue, but I want the quick glue time of the hot glue gun. Now when it comes to stacking the books, there's 2 ways that you can do it. This is how it would look if you stack the books one on top of each other in the exact same way. Now the other way that you can stack the books, which actually is my daughter's favorite and the one that she chose for her side table, is to twist the books as they go up. So instead of stacking them one on top of each other the exact same way, you're going to slightly twist each book as it winds up to the top of the table. Now once you figure out how you want your books to be stacked, then you will glue them together. When it came to gluing the books together, I just used the adhesive glue because I wanted to be able to turn the books just in case they weren't in the position that I wanted them to be. Now I'm gonna glue on the tabletop. Now with this, I did use the hot glue because I wanted the tabletop to be secure as soon as possible, but I also used the adhesive as well. I just love how this DIY came out, you guys. It's such a unique piece that fits my daughter's personality perfectly. And the best part about it is that I love bringing you guys DIYs that I have not seen before on YouTube or Pinterest. So I was happy that I could bring you guys an expensive piece and be able to recreate it with Dollar Tree items. Not only to give you guys ideas, but to also be able to give my daughter such a beautiful piece in her room on a budget, which you guys know if you've been following my channel for a long time, that I love doing everything on a budget. So don't forget to like this video if you liked what you saw today, and don't forget to hit that subscriber button so you do not miss any of my videos coming up, which will have more DIYs, hauls, all mommy things, just more things to come in the future. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.